Hello friends, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to set up alarm on iPhone 14 Pro Max after iOS 17. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. Firstly, you can click on clock. Here you can see word clock, alarms, stopwatch and timers. Tap on alarms. Here you can see setup, tap on it. Here you can see setup in health, tap on it. Welcome to health, tap on it. Here you can see first you can fill these and go back, tap on it. And here you can see tap on plus button, and here you can set up alarm times. Here you can see these are hours, minutes and AM and PM. Here you can see repeat, label, sound and snooze. Here you can see select the sound, go back, and now you can see save, tap on it. And here you can see that the alarm is set up on iPhone. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.